Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AlsoAsked for FAQ Schema content strategy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with AlsoAsked for your FAQ Schema content strategy, first, visit the AlsoAsked website. Once the page loads, locate the search bar prominently displayed on the home page. Enter a keyword or topic relevant to your content. Click the search icon to initiate the query. After a few moments, you will see a visual representation of related questions. These questions reflect what users are commonly asking around your chosen topic. Explore the list to identify questions that align with your content strategy. Select the questions that are most relevant to your audience. Take note of these questions for later use in your FAQ schema. Next, consider how you can structure your answers for clarity and usefulness. Use concise, informative language that directly addresses each question. Once you've drafted your answers, it's time to implement the FAQ schema. Head to your content management system to add the schema markup. Ensure you follow the correct JSON LD format for your FAQ schema. Insert the relevant questions and answers into the schema markup. After integrating the schema, validate it using Google's structured data testing tool. This step ensures that search engines can read and understand your FAQ schema. Once validated, publish your content. Regularly monitor the performance of your FAQ schema in search results. Adjust your strategy as needed based on user engagement and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.